Good morning, Kumar. So, gagawa tayo nito. Manicotti with cheese. Okay? So, na-boil ko na yan. Okay, again, this is according to the box. Okay? So, we need 1 and 1/2 cup of ricotta cheese. But I will use cottage cheese. We have mozzarella. Okay. We have Parmesan cheese. Cream cheese. This is optional. Cheese. Okay, lagyan natin ng beaten egg. And then salt and pepper to taste. Then haluin natin. Mix it together. Yes, lagyan natin ng parsley. Okay, you can use fresh. Naubusan ako ng fresh. Okay. Ayan, parsley, dried pork. Guys, this is optional. Lagyan natin spinach. Okay. Cheese, go well with the spinach. Okay. So, ito na yung ating fill. So, lagay na natin sa ating manicotti. Okay? So, kung Mars, lagyan muna natin ng sauce yung ating paglalagyan, yung ilalim, para hindi dumikit. So, with this, papasok nyo lang yan dito. Sa inyo. Okay, maganda may pipe. May pipe sana. Yan, ganyan. Slowly lang. Okay? Pour lang natin ang sauce on the top. Yan. Let's bake this for 40 minutes. Okay? 350. There's our manicotti.